years in Indian market. After that, I came to Forex market.
You are from Tamil Nadu, bro?
Yes, bro. Yes, bro. I am from Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
Chennai, Madurai. Sorry, Madurai.
Okay.
Tamil Nadu.
The slang is Tamil slang.
What, bro?
The slang is Tamilian slang, I'm saying. I am from Hyderabad.
Oh, you are from Hyderabad. Okay. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Start the session.
Okay, bro.
Okay.
What do we call this red candle? The red candle over here.
Bearish candle.
Right. What about the blue one?
Bullish candle, and that's engulfing.
Right. We know that when a bullish candle engulfs a bearish candle, we call it engulfing buy. Here we have a bullish engulfing. When a blue candle completely engulfs a red candle, including the top part of wick, then we call it a bullish engulfing. And if you put a rectangle over this candlestick pattern, now here this we call it as engulfing buy zone. This gray box here is called engulfing buy zone, and we call it a bullish engulfing because the complete body including the wick, that is also called shadows, it completely engulfed by the blue candle. We call it engulfing buy, and engulfing sell is same, but just it's quite opposite to it. Now the bottom one is called engulfing sell zone because we put a rectangle over the engulfing sell candlestick pattern. They both are same, but just it's quite opposite to each other. You already know about engulfing buy and engulfing sell. So
Yes, bro.
do you know what is this zone called now?
Double engulfing.
And we can also call it as
Double engulfing buy.
there's another name to it.
Engulfing meets engulfing, huh?
Right. This is called engulfing buy meets engulfing buy.
Engulfing buy meets engulfing buy. Oh, yeah.
Now this one here,
This is engulfing cell meets engulfing cell.
Right. When an engulfing candlestick pattern forms inside an engulfing candlestick pattern, it is called engulfing meets engulfing B. If it is engulfing by inside engulfing by, it is called AB meets EB. And if it is engulfing cell formed inside engulfing cell, then it is called ES meets ES or engulfing cell meets engulfing cell. Now there are also rules, some rules to call it valid. Is this now a valid candlestick pattern?
No.
Do we call it EB meets EB here?
No, bro.
Now?
No.
Ah,
Now we can't call it.
body.
Because as you can see, both red candle and blue candle are touching the zone, right? So now we can
Yeah.
call it engulfing by meets engulfing by. Now is this engulfing by? Engulfing by meets engulfing by? Yes or no?
Yes.
What about you, Dharma bro? Can we call it engulfing by meets engulfing by?
Bro, can you hear me? Bro?
Yeah?
Hello.
No.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hello. Ah, yes, yes. Yes, bro. Engulfing with engulfing.
I have one question only, if I can ask.
Yeah, sure.
How many candles will be valid to engulf the red candle?
Up to 5 candles, brother.
5 candles.
Yeah.
Uh,
If it is more than
Okay.
5 candles, it will be considered very risky. As long as it is
Okay.
5 or below, then it should be fine.
Yeah, okay, thanks.
Now, can we call this engulfing cell meets engulfing cell?
Yes.
No, bro. Just body not touching that first that zone. First cell engulfing zone.
Right.
Bro, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. But your voice is very low.
Now can you hear me?
Yeah, now it's louder.
Yes, I am using headset.
Okay. So now this is considered invalid.
Okay, sorry. My mistake.
The bodies should touch the zone. There are some people who consider it as valid, but I personally don't consider it as valid. Even Bilal brother, he too consider it invalid. Black sheep too, depending on situations, he consider it sometimes valid and sometimes invalid. But basically, these types of setups are risky, so better avoid it.
Okay,
Only
bro, I have
when
one question.
the bodies
Oh.
of both zones are within the engulfing cell or buy zone, only then will it be considered valid. Now you see both the candles are touching the zone bodies, so now we can call it valid. In these situations, even if see, even if the second candle is not touching the zone, even if its wick is not touching the zone, it will be considered valid because the first red candle and first blue candle are within the zone. Okay.
Okay, bro.
You got this point, both of you?
Yes, yes.
Yes, bro.
As long as the first blue and first red candle are within the zone, even if the second, third, fourth candles are not touching the zone or outside the zone, it will be considered valid.
Bro, what about time frame, brother? For the first engulfing, compare than second engulfing.
No, bro, both the engulfing should be within the same time frame.
Okay, I have same doubt in for last 2 3 years, brother. Okay, bro. Thank you.
No, bro. Here, if we are trying to mark engulfing cell meets engulfing cell, both the engulfing should be within the same time frame. There's a different topic called precision where inside M15 we can find M15, M5 or M1.
Okay.
But usually this is the concept. Both of them should be within the same time frame.
Okay, bro.
Okay, now you can confidently mark how to mark engulfing by, how to mark engulfing cell, engulfing by meets engulfing by, engulfing cell meets engulfing cell, right?
Yes, bro.
I'll show you some practical examples. Tell me if they are correct or not. And also one more thing. Sometimes you may find doji candles. In engulfing, we don't mark the doji candles. We will mark the doji candle which is beside it. We will mark the candle which is beside the doji candle. We don't mark the doji candles. Remember this point. Is this valid engulfing by?
Yes.
Is this engulfing by meets engulfing by? The grey one.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Are you sure?
This is engulfing theory, I think.
No, forget about the red candle up to here, until here. Until here. Is this engulfing by meets engulfing by? EB meets EB?
Yeah, engulfing by meets engulfing by. I can be disconnected for a few minutes because I'm entering in a subway station. So I'll be connected in a few minutes, okay?
Okay. Now is this engulfing cell meets engulfing cell? Do we have any engulfing cells inside here?
No, bro.
Yes.
Only touching.
The other guy is silent. Tasneem,
You
bro.
can hear me?
Yeah.
No, No, bro.
Okay, we don't have ES mid CS here. Now here do we have ES mid CS?
Yes, bro.
Here we have ES mid ES, right? Engulfing cell meets
Yes.
engulfing cell.
Yes, bro.
Here do we have EB mid CB?
Yes. Second, the
Now do we have ES mid CS?
I think this, bro. Yes, bro.
Yes. Dharma bro, can you share your screen and can you show me some examples on your screen?
Wait, bro. How to share my screen, bro? I don't know about this.
There's an
Can you
option
hear me?
called screen share.
There is an option where. Wait, bro.
Wait a second.
Yeah, bro. Option share screen. Bro, you are now seeing my screen.
Yeah, bro. I can see your screen.
Okay. You want engulfing meat, by with engulfing meat, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Engulfing by meets engulfing by.
Yeah, this one. Oh, sorry. Okay, bro.
Right. Show me few more
Next
examples.
one is, I think this one is engulfing cell with engulfing cell.
Hmm.
This one. Okay.
The one
Bro,
inside is it's wrong, bro.
I couldn't get you.
40. Kirana. 20.
It has to
The engulfing
touch
cell,
this one
the
and
second engulfing cell should
close
must break
outside.
outside the first engulfing cell.
So not within the zone.
Yeah, it should break outside the
So
zone.
it has to close.
Close outside the zone.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. Okay, now I understood. Right. Very good. So this one okay, wow. Engulfing by meat, engulfing.
Yeah, yeah. That's correct.
Okay, now I have clear. I think this is not valid. Okay,
Yeah, that's wrong.
not touching also.
There is no
Okay,
engulfing cell
okay.
inside.
Okay, bro. Now I clear somewhat, bro. Yeah. Can I cancel my screen
Yeah,
sharing?
Tasnim bro, why are you silent? And Emilia bro, are you here?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
Okay, can you now share your screen, or are you outside?
I'm sorry.
Can you share your screen?
Yeah. How can I share it? Wait a second.
Share your screen and show me some EB meets EB and ES meets ES.
I'm from my phone.
Yeah, no problem. You can do it on
What do you want?
MT4, MT5 or TradingView. Show me engulfing buy meets engulfing buy and engulfing sell meets engulfing sell.
Do you see my screen?
We can see you.
Just a second only. No. Uh, Let me go. Can you see it?
Zoom in a bit.
Here it's the engulfing cell. Meets engulfing cell.
Yeah, but mark the engulfing cell properly. The marking should start from green candle. Yeah, perfect. Right. Show me EB meets EB.
I'm sorry?
Engulfing by meeting engulfing by.
Engulfing meets engulfing. Right? Here it's a little bit difficult to mark it, but basically
The
this
marking should start from the down, the black candle.
I need. Here it is.
Okay. Show me one more.
Here it is.
Okay. So you are clear, right? How to mark EB, EB and ES.
Yes.
Or do you
I'm
have
clear
any
with it.
doubt on this?
I'm sorry?
Or do you have any doubts on this topic?
No, I don't have any doubts.
Okay, you can exit the screen.
Sir, I have some doubt.
Yeah, bro. Tell me.
Sir, I was a little bit confused according to the time, IST and Indian time.
Okay.
So I got a little bit. I know engulfing, complete engulfing, but you are repeating here again and again. Engulfing meet engulfing.
Yeah.
So can you please repeat it here again?
Engulfing by meets engulfing by.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I have worked a lot on this theory.
Were you the guy who asked for the key level? You are the same guy. What do we have here, Tasnim bro?
Yes, sir.
What do we have here?
This is bearish engulfing, sir.
Yes. This is engulfing sell or bearish engulfing.
Yes, sir. Same.
And the topic was engulfing meets engulfing, right?
Yes, sir. Now I don't understand this term.
Okay. Inside this engulfing cell zone, if another engulfing cell is formed, then we call it engulfing cell meets engulfing cell. Now we have this zone.
Okay, it's clear.
Now let's imagine there is another engulfing cell here.
Okay, sir.
Now see, we have another engulfing cell which is inside this engulfing cell, right?
Okay.
Now we
In
call
this zone.
yes, inside this zone. The bodies of both zones should touch the zone.
Okay,
So
sir.
the body of both the candles should touch the zone, not wicks but
Okay.
bodies.
Okay.
Now,
Complete body.
yeah, not complete body, even if some part of
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Now we call this engulfing cell meets engulfing cell, and for buy it's same.
Okay, sir. I got you, sir. For buy, it will be reverse of this.
Even this is valid. Even if the
Okay.
rest part is outside the zone, the body should open inside the zone.
Okay. Now it's not valid.
Now is this valid?
No, sir.
The wicks are touching the zone,
Because
but the bodies are not touching the zone.
only
Yeah,
wicks
but-
are touching.
If the red candle, can you draw the body on the zone of the red candle?
No, the bodies of both the candles should touch the zone.
Okay.
I'm sorry, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Can you draw the body of the red candle in the zone?
Red candle?
The red candle, yeah,
Yeah,
in the zone.
in the zone. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, and the blue one was again with the wick in the zone and the body outside of the zone. With the wick touching the zone.
Yeah, even this is invalid.
Yeah. This is invalid.
Yeah, the first blue candle and first red candle, both of them
Okay.
should touch the zone.
Okay. Thanks.
Dharma bro had a misconception. I don't know if you had heard it or not. I'll clear it again. Now tell me, is this valid now? Engulfing cell meets engulfing cell. Is this valid? Engulfing cell meets engulfing cell.
Are you pointing me?
All three of you.
No, it's not valid because it's not crossing over the zone.
Yeah. And Emilia bro, do you think it is valid?
Yes.
This is invalid. I forgot to teach
Why
you
it's invalid?
before. But the zone must break this.
Uh-huh.
It should close
Okay.
outside. Only then we can call it engulfing cell meets engulfing cell. Even if there are 100 engulfing cells inside them and none of them are breaking outside, it will be invalid. The engulfing cell candle must close outside this zone. Okay.
Sir, how to share the screen?
There's an option called screen sharing.
Screen sharing. Okay, sir. I am from laptop.
There's an option called present note. See, beside the emoji button, which has
Beside
up
the
arrow
emoji
option,
button.
up arrow symbol.
Up arrow.
Yeah.
No,
If you click on it, it will show
yes, sir.
present now.
Yes, okay, sir. Present now, this one?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. I have clicked on it. Now trading view?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Now I am on trading view. I have just
click on share. Click on trading view option and click on share.
I have clicked on it, but I don't know why it's not working.
What does it show?
Is it visible? Sir, now is it visible to you?
No.
Now?
No. You should click on trading view tab. On Brave tab option, you should click on trading view tab and then click on share.
Sir, I have clicked on trading view multiple times. I don't know why.
Or there's also option called window. You can also click on it.
Yes, window is visible to me.
Yeah, click on window and then click on the screen and then share.
Share. Okay, sir. Now is it sharing?
Yeah. Yeah, we can see you.
This is M15. Sir, this is M15.
Yeah.
Let me zoom it. I have worked on it before. Just wait a second. Let me have an example. Sir, this one. Let me mark it.
You also zoom in a bit. The candles are very small.
A few seconds just wait. Is it okay now?
Yeah.
Or should I increase some?
Yeah, some more.
Sir, wait. Let me extend right now. It's okay, sir. Not this one. Let me find. Or this one. Not this one. Sir, is it visible to you?
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, this one, I think. Let me mark it. Not this one, sir. This is not even. The body is not even touching.
Yeah.
Sir, this one. Sir, why I am not seeing any example here?
Go to a different time frame M5. You may find him.
In higher time frame, it can be easily seen in H4. Can I show you in H4?
Yeah, yeah. Even on GBP USD H4 there is a AB mid CB.
Gold, it will be easily visible, I think.
Gold it will be difficult to find.
But gold will be difficult, sir.
There is one on GBP USD.
Sir, this one, I think.
Bro, zoom it somewhat, then only it can visible to you also.
Okay, sir. Now I am using my mouse.
Are you
Sir,
seeing the
GBP,
mouse?
JPY.
GBP USD.
GBP USD. Sir, why this is difficult to find it in gold?
You are unable to find because you don't have much experience, I think. I can find many. You are not yet habituated. I can find many on your screen.
Kindly zoom your screen. The candlestick between the
Oh,
candlestick gap is very low. Yes, yes, yes.
Now,
Now.
I just
Now
showed
it's okay.
Dharmaraja bro 3-4 examples. No bro, GBP USD. Okay, whatever you can find on a GB here also. Don't give space between GBP and USD.
Okay,
Go to H4.
H4. Sir, is it visible?
Yes. You can see there is a engulfing by mid,
Right,
engulfing by on H4.
Sir, here is very easily example here.
Yeah,
Let me mark for
that's the example I
my
told
fellows. Let me mark it for my fellows. Sir, this one.
you.
Let me change the color. Green. Let me. Sir, this one.
Yeah, yeah.
This is both the bodies touching here.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
one. Completely
That's a
crossing
valid
over
one.
this one.
Mm.
This is called engulfing meat. Engulfing.
Yeah,
What
engulfing
term
by
we use?
mid, engulfing by.
Oh. Sir, is there any easy way to find this kind of example?
You should train your eyes, bro. If you keep on practicing, you will find easily. It's only a matter of practice.
Okay, sir.
At beginning, everyone will be same like you. As they get habituated, they can find many with a glance of eye.
Okay, sir.
Even I used to struggle at beginning, but now I can find easily because of practice.
Sir, let me just ask a question here.
Yeah.
In this case, only wicks are touching, as you
Yeah,
said.
that's not
Only wicks
engulfing
are
by
touching.
missing your finger.
Yes, sir. I was asking the same. Okay, sir. Thank you. I got your point. You can go ahead, sir.
Yeah. Click on stop presenting to stop.
Stop presenting.
At bottom, bro. At top.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay, okay, sir. I got it. Sir, will we get recording of this lecture?
Yeah, yeah. You will get the recording.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, now it's good.
See, sometimes you will find candles like this, which are whose body is very very small. What do we call these candles?
Doji.
Yes, we call these candles doji candles. And engulfing, we should not mark doji candles.
Why, sir?
These type of candles will be risky trades.
Okay, sir.
If you mark doji candles, if you take trade on it, it will be more risky. But let's just say there is another candle beside doji candle. What color candle is this? This is
Which is blue.
bullish doji, right? If there is here we have another blue candle beside the doji candle, right? In such cases, we should mark this candle, not doji candle.
Okay, sir.
Here the marking should start from the candle which is beside the doji. Only if the both candles color is same. If this is red color, then leave it. Don't mark this zone. If doji is blue and the candle which is beside doji is also blue, then mark the candle which is beside the doji. Don't mark doji. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
So that's it for today. Today is just a basic class. From tomorrow we will learn advanced topics. If you have more questions, you can ask now, or we can end the session.
Or failed engulfing tomorrow we will learn.
Yeah, failed engulfing we will learn tomorrow. Now, if you have any questions on engulfing by, engulfing cell, engulfing by meets by, engulfing cell meets cell, if you have any questions on this, you can ask now.
No, I don't have time.
Sir, what about accuracy of this means engulfing meat engulfing?
Yeah. What is your question?
I am asking about the accuracy. Is it accuracy is more in this engulfing meat engulfing complete body?
Accuracy, if it is on H4 time frame, you will have accuracy of 70%.
Okay, sir.
If it is H4 time frame, if it is H1, 66 to 65%.
Okay, sir.
Below this, you should not use it without the standing of H4. If it is forming inside the H4, let's just say there is H4 engulfing by, and inside this H4 engulfing by there is M15 EB meets CB. Then you can take trade on it. If there is simple EB meets CB, then you should not take trade on it.
So I have one doubt there.
Yeah.
So after the second engulfing formed, that time itself we have to take trade, or next time it will retest the zone, then only we take the trade.
You can take trade on either ways, bro. If you take right after it, you will get a bigger stop loss. If you wait for retest, you will get a smaller stop loss.
Okay.
If you are fine with taking a bigger sell, then you can take as soon as it is formed. If you want your trade with very small stop loss, then you should wait until it retests.
Sir?
Yeah.
You use the term ABC.
Yeah, we call it high liquidity zone. It's also a advanced topic we will be learning in upcoming classes.
Okay, sir. Okay. Then okay, I thought that you have learned this before because I was just a little bit late.
No, we have all hidden engulfing, ABC. We have all of them. I'll also teach you 3 types of key levels.
Sir, from where we can get this lecture?
You are in group, right?
Yes, I am in group.
I'll be posting in the group.
Okay.
Okay, any more doubts?
No, bro.
I am clear.
Emilia, bro?
Yeah, I'm clear too.
So, can I end this session now?
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. We'll be meeting tomorrow at same time, 6 o'clock, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Indian time, sir. Indian time.
Yeah, Indian time.
Today
Your
I
time
joined
is
Pakistani
30
time.
minutes prior Indian time, right?
Okay, sir.
For you, 5:30, I guess.
5:30. Okay, sir. Thank you for recording.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.